Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kiwikatchoo here. We're gonna do something different. My shoes got totally wrecked during the Holy Festival that I attended. If you look here, it looks like totally rainbow colored, mostly pink. I don't want that, so we're gonna see what happens when you wash your shoes in the washing machine. Let's find out. Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. I survived. Nothing exploded, surprisingly. We're gonna see if the shoe survived. Let's go.
Strangers to love, you know the rules, and so do I. I feel commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna...
Okay, in all seriousness, yeah, it's fine. It totally made it. Super clean, almost like new. So yeah, it works.
Lol.